My name's Grant Broggi, and I'm the owner of the Strength Co. And next we're going to talk about how to use the bathroom. When you come into the bathroom, the first thing you're going to want to do is shut the door. Do everyone a favor that's working out in the gym. They don't want to see, hear, or even smell anything. The second thing you're going to do is prepare the room for combat. We like to use the Hawaiian for Bees found at your local store. A good 5 to second spray before you begin your business is usually a good thought. From there, you're going to go ahead and use a toilet. We recommend putting a top of the line Kohler toilet in your bathroom with a pressurized flush. Added suction will take down on employee costs because there'll be less maintenance going on in the bathroom. This is your friend. If you do some business in here and you have an issue, don't expect the gym staff to do this for you. It's right here next to the toilet. If the toilet paper runs out, do us a favor and don't leave the brown cardboard inside the toilet paper holder. Instead, go into a cabinet, grab a fresh roll, and ensure that you place the toilet paper in the correct way for it to be taken out of the rack. Everyone knows you've been in the bathroom. So if they don't hear this and this before you come out, they don't want to shake your hand, high five you after a deadlift, or share a chalk bucket with you. Wash your hands. Finally, with clean hands, an empty stomach, and a happy heart, pay tribute to Ric Flair on your way outside the gym. Woo!